Welcome to Hypermotive. Just taken in part exchange, we have this 2010 BMW 3 Series. It's a 318D business, done high mileage, done 187,000 miles. So I'm just doing sort of an honest walk around video so you can see the car. Actually in remarkably good condition considering the age. Obviously it does have a few marks around it. Finished in metallic grey. It's got alloy wheels, reverse parking sensors. You can hear it on, it seems to run and drive well. It does have an MOT and was last serviced in June. It's got an MOT till June this year, June 2026. Full black leather inside, and actually even the bolster's not too bad on it either. Heated seats too. I've got some history with it. It's actually got full service history. It's been serviced every year. It's got the iDrive, CD, radio, telephone, Bluetooth, and it does have navigation too. Stop start, only got one key with it. Multifunction steering wheel. Excuse me. Cruise control. You can see it's done a 187,698. Electric windows. Headlights. We're selling it as spares or repair because of the age and the mileage. And there's no warranty implied or given. But it is a cheap 3 Series diesel Beamer. Does run and drive with an MOT till June. So yeah, if you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call, or you can email me sales@hypermotive.co.uk. Thanks for watching.